In the world of project management, understanding the tools that support business operations is just as crucial as mastering methodologies. For many independent professionals, freelancers, and small business owners, accounting software is a cornerstone of their daily workflow, helping them manage finances, track time, and handle invoicing. FreshBooks is a name that frequently comes up in these conversations. As a project management expert who understands the impact of tools on overall business efficiency, a common question I encounter is, how many users are actually relying on FreshBooks? While exact real-time figures from private companies like FreshBooks are rarely disclosed daily, we can confidently state that FreshBooks serves a substantial and growing user base, with over 30 million people having used their platform across more than 160 countries. This figure, often highlighted by FreshBooks itself and corroborated by various industry reports, provides a powerful testament to its widespread adoption and impact within the small business ecosystem. What does 30 million users really mean? It's important to understand the nuances of this figure. Used FreshBooks generally refers to the total number of individuals who have at some point engaged with the platform, whether through a free trial, a paid subscription, or as a client interacting with the FreshBooks client portal to view or pay an invoice. This indicates a massive reach and a significant footprint in the global market for accounting and invoicing solutions, particularly for service-based businesses. While not all 30 million are concurrently paying subscribers, this vast number signifies several key points for anyone looking at project management and business tools. Market validation. Such a large user base is a strong indicator of market validation. It suggests that FreshBooks has successfully identified a significant need within the small business and self-employed sector and has developed a solution that resonates with millions. This means the software is likely robust, user-friendly, and offers features that genuinely solve common pain points for these businesses. Reliability and trust. Businesses entrust their financial data to accounting software. The sheer volume of users implies a high level of trust in FreshBooks security, reliability, and accuracy. For a project manager, knowing that a critical business tool is trusted by so many users instills confidence in its stability and the company's commitment to continuous improvement. Community and support. A large user base often translates to a vibrant community. This means there's a greater chance of finding resources, tutorials, and peer support online if you encounter questions or challenges. While FreshBooks also offers its own dedicated customer support, a strong user community can be an invaluable asset for learning and troubleshooting. Industry specialization. FreshBooks has historically focused heavily on the needs of freelancers, independent contractors, and service-based small businesses. This specialized approach, honed over years, is reflected in its features like robust invoicing, time tracking, expense management, and a dedicated client portal. The 30 million user figure underscores the success of this focused strategy, showing that by catering to a specific niche, they have built a powerful and loyal following. Global reach. The mention of over 160 countries highlights FreshBooks' international presence. This is crucial for project managers working with global teams or clients. It suggests that FreshBooks is designed to handle multi-currency transactions and diverse tax regulations, making it a viable option for businesses operating across borders. The impact on project management. From a project management perspective, the widespread adoption of FreshBooks by millions of users has several implications. Streamlined financial management. For project managers, particularly those overseeing smaller projects or working within service-based companies, efficient financial tracking is vital. FreshBooks' extensive user base indicates its effectiveness in simplifying tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and time management, directly impacting a project's financial health and reporting. Facilitating client communication. The integrated client portal, a feature highly valued by FreshBooks users, directly influences client relations. Project managers know that clear and easy financial communication with clients leads to smoother projects and faster payments. The widespread use of FreshBooks implies that many clients are already familiar with its portal, making interactions even more seamless. Reduced administrative overhead. Any tool that reduces administrative burden directly benefits project execution. If millions of users are saving time on invoicing and expense tracking, it means more time can be dedicated to core project tasks, planning, and execution. Integration potential. While not explicitly about the user count, a large user base often encourages third-party integrations. This means FreshBooks is likely to connect with other tools in your project management ecosystem, e.g., CRM systems, payment gateways, creating a more cohesive and automated workflow.